Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about custom events in JavaScript. Okay, so let me first walk you through what are events in JavaScript and how we can create that, because JavaScript inbuilt gives us some event, okay, which are pre-built in JavaScript, inbuilt in JavaScript, okay, that we don't need to create. Okay, so like this boilerplate code we are having, this HTML. Okay, here just simply put a button over here and just a span in which giving an ID of count, and this button ID is count dash button. Okay, so this is it. So let's first run it in the live server. Okay, and by the way, you can currently it is just a normal button which does nothing. Okay, so by this live server you can just simply install it over here. Okay, you can just simply type it live server, and here we go. You can see this Ritwik Day. This one is like I found stable, and I am using it for quite time, I guess. So you can download this one, this live server. Okay, just a extension. It's simple to install, and you're good to go then. So I've just opened it in a live server with simple button. So let's see how we can add an event to this button. Okay, just simple click event for say let's say. Okay, so first grab this ID and just copy it, and then you have to create a script.js file. Okay, leave it for now. It's just so we can just create a button ref over here. Button button ref, which will be document dot get element by ID, and here we are going to put that ID. So this is for button, and again let span ref we can get over here, which will be document dot get element by ID, and that will be something like count. I guess I'm not doing any type over here. Yeah, this is correct. So let's add a event listener to this button. Button ref dot add event listener. Just having this click, you can see it's giving insertion click, and here ev, we can just simply throw an alert over here, like button clicked, alt tab, you can see here, and you can, if I'm just going to click this button saying button click. So what happens just now, we have added an event, okay, which is a click event, and we have binded it with the button ref. Okay, and I have binded with the button ref, and whenever we are going to click this button ref, it just calls this particular method. Okay, because this method is binded to this button ref. Okay, so hope that's clear for now, and after that we are going to do something in there. So now let's come to the point. We are creating an event, custom event, which custom by the means of custom event, I just want to say that event which is just created by us, we can give it them any name, like simply just a Superman also. So you can give it any name, and you can throw it, and you can just trigger it anywhere you want. Okay, like anywhere you can emit that event, and anywhere you can just listen to that particular event, and you can do whatever you want. Okay, in the JavaScript. So let's suppose you want something like when you are just clicking on this button ref. Let's suppose you want to increase this count. Okay, let's suppose you want to increase this count 1 2 3 4 something like that, and whenever it hits a number which is divisible by 10, it throws some alert. Okay, so something like that. So in that case you need some sort of event out there. Okay, or we could do that without events also. Okay, but I'm going to show you that thing using event. Okay, so let's suppose current count will be 0 and span ref dot the text is equal to count, let's suppose. And when I'm just going there, sorry, when I'm just going there, okay, I'm just going there, you can see some count, default count is given 0 over here. So as soon as this button is clicked, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to increase this count with 1, and again I'm going to put this span ref dot in a text is equal to this count whatever we are having right now. Okay, and then if I'm going to see that if count is divisible by 10 and if it's true, then I'm just going to throw an alert, or instead of throwing an alert we can just throw some event also in there. Okay, so to do that you can just simply call event new event. Okay, and then we can just run event dot document dot emit document dot dispatch event, and then we can just call this event over here. Okay, so in this event we are going to pass some name. Okay, like in this case I'm just going to pass something divisible by 10. So this is the name of our event. Okay, just like we are having click, just like we are having change in input. Okay, similarly we are going to have our this as a custom event. Okay, and we can listen to this event anywhere we would want, anywhere we want in this JavaScript page in our script. Okay, so let's suppose I want to listen to an event which is like document dot add event listener, and there we can just simply copy this one and we can just simply listen to that. Okay, and we can simply alert it over here divisible by 10. I know that we can do it simply also, but this is just to teach you by giving an example. I am showing you like this. Okay, so this is just an event. Okay, divisible by 10. As soon as it is divisible by 10, it's going to dispatch event, and it is going to be listened right here, and it's going to throw an alert which is divisible by 10. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. Okay, why it is okay. One is also divisible by 10. Let's see, say something fishy going on here. If count is divisible by 10, this time I'm increasing here count. Why this is modulo 10 count modulo 10, sorry, just put failed to put 0 over here. That's why it was giving me error. Something fishy was happening. So then when it is setting 10, it is showing with 0 by 10. So see, now you know that how to trigger a simple event. Now let's suppose we want to create an event where you want to pass some data and you want to show some data like which number is 0 by 10, like 10, 20, 30, which number we have hit, so that is divisible by 10. So you want to pass some data with this new event. Okay, so in this case we use something called custom event. Okay, so let event is equal to new custom event, and here we are going to use this thing. Okay, and then the next one we are going to provide the detail, like what we are going to share over there, and the detail I'm just going to pass this count. Okay, and then simply this is simple, like as simple as it like sound. We are going to just copy and paste this exact command. This is that line which is dispatch event, and it will dispatch that, and again we are going to listen it over here, and just we can simply do it ev plus and here we can just simply use divisible by 10, and here we can see detail plus divisible by 10. So hope you got the thing, and again I'm going to use that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 is divisible by 10. Okay, that's obvious. In 20 see 20 is divisible by 10. So now you know like how we can just create custom, we can create an event, and also we can pass some data into that event. Point to be noted over here is like when you are just passing this data, this detail key is important. Okay, you can't change this one. Okay, this is important, and this detail, under that you can pass any object, array, anything you can pass into that, and you will receive that here in this event. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this video helpful, do hit a like. Okay, share it with your friends, and if you are new here, do subscribe to YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.